January, it's New Year's. February, it's Valentine's Day. March, it's St. Patrick's Day. March, it's Easter. April, it's April Fool's Day. May, it's Mother's Day. June, it's Father's Day. July, it's 4th of July. August, oh, no holiday. September, it's Labor Day. October, it's Halloween. November, it's Thanksgiving. Last holiday, December, it's Christmas.